hack number 1, you're not good enough. You also need to start talking about, I'm not good enough to feel this. I'm good enough for the high emotions, high vibrational. Change the script. If your subconscious mind is comfortable hearing you're not good enough, use it to your advantage. When something bad happens, well, I'm not good enough to feel that emotion. That's one of the hacks I've always used. I'm not good enough to feel this. Hack number 2. Whenever I sit down for my meditation, begin your meditation as your future self. Don't become your future self later on in the meditation. Start with that. Just ask yourself, how would the future self be meditating? How fast would they fall into and surrender? Would they be scared when you start shaking in meditation? Yeah. The third thing you need to do, you guys need to get comfortable with meditating with your eyes open. And one of the things that trains you is that then when you're in your house, when you're around doing your things, you will get so good at this that you can be filling up your dishwasher and you'll start to feel like you're filling up the dishwasher in your future house. And this will make you smile. This will make you very happy when you think about it. You will get so good at this. This might sound crazy, sure. Think of something. Think of something that you want, that you might think that is unachievable. And then ask yourself, is there a version of you in the quantum that has that? The answer is yes. Why can't you play with the energy and experience that? Perceive that. Have that in your reality. What else are you going to do? What else is there to do other than to experience life, experience reality? You can either make your future, or you can have the randomness of the quantum just throw random stuff at you. That sucks. That's boring. This is not a hack. But I want you guys to, during the day, remind yourself, when that thing happens to me, I'll be happy. Switch those things around. When I'm happy, I'll be abundant. When I'm calm, I'll be whole. When I smile, every time I smile, my soul falls in love with life. So, when you smile, every time you smile, you're telling yourself, I'm falling in love with life. Every time I smile.